In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Chatgpt with Wix. To get started, head over to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, and it is where you can manage your design, settings, and added features. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct site if you manage more than one. That will help you avoid making changes in the wrong place. From the dashboard, look for the Apps section and then open the App Market. This is where Wix provides extra tools and integrations that you can add to your website without needing to build them from scratch. The App Market is useful because it gives you access to ready-made features that can expand what your site can do. Once the App Market is open, use the search bar to look for Chatgpt or AI chatbot. These search terms will help you find available apps that offer chatbot features powered by artificial intelligence. Depending on what is currently available in the Wix marketplace, you may see a few different options. Take your time and look through the results carefully so you can choose the app that best matches the kind of chatbot experience you want for your visitors. When you find an app you want to use, such as a ChatGPT Assistant app or an Elf-site ChatGPT app, click on it to open the app details. This page usually gives you a description of what the app does, what features are included, and how it works with your site. Reading through this information can help you understand what to expect before you install it. After that, click Add to Site. Wix will then guide you through the setup prompts. These prompts may include connecting the app, adjusting chatbot settings, choosing how it appears on your site, or placing it on a page. Follow each prompt carefully and review the options as you go so the chatbot is set up the way you want. Once setup is complete, it is a good idea to preview your site and test the chatbot yourself. That way you can confirm that it appears correctly and responds as expected for your visitors. That covers everything you need to know.